Prediktor Edge Process Explorer is a web-based tool to view historical data provided by Prediktor Edge OPC Historian. Time series of items in Prediktor Edge OPC Historian are visualized both raw and aggregated for the desired resolution and period of time. Process Explorer runs from a standard web browser using Java Web Start or as a standalone client application and communicates over HTTP to the web server. This gives a fast and easy access and no firewall manipulation is required. When entering the Process Explorer, you will find your connected instances in the window to the left. In this example, we have got a connection named APIS. Inside this connection, we will find the data that exists in this HDA historian. If you click the one named Logger, you will see that this logging module consists of 10 signals. These are the signals which have been set to be logged into the database in Prediktor Edge Management Studio. By clicking one of those signals, the signal will appear as a graph in the main window to the right. You can add as many signals as you like by clicking the corresponding signal to the left. If you would like to remove some signals, just click on the X on the left side of the signal to remove it from the graph. If there are no values found at a given timestamp, the graph will be shown marked with X values, as shown on the graph on the screen. Notice that you are able to scroll through the timeline by using the scroll bar at the X-axis. If you like, you can click on the button Pan to Now to see the latest values that has been received into the historian. You can also see the graph on a given from time to a given end time. By clicking the little down arrow button, you will switch to a calendar on the left side to represent the start time and a calendar to the right to give the end time. Let's set the start date to October the 5th, 12 o'clock. And the end date to October the 5th, 4 p.m. Then click the Apply button. As you can see, we are now receiving the dataset in the window above for the given time. I can then see that I am missing data in 2 periods here and might want to check my equipment to find out what has been happening in these time spans. In the main window, I can left-click my mouse to get a vertical bar. This bar can tell me the value of the given timestamp by moving it to the left or to the right. The value is indicated on the menu above. By double-clicking instead, I can get the value directly on my bar. And triple-click will also give me the values of both the X-axis and the Y-axis. The small arrow in the top right corner will move the legend inside the graph instead of having it above. Click the arrow again to return to normal view. My aggregation is set to median. If you would like to change this, just select another aggregation from the drop-down menu above. If you want, you can also query for specific values in the database Query button. Click the button and choose your signal in the list to the left by right-clicking the signal and choose Add to Database Query Select your aggregation, what kind of operator and value you would like to use. Use the query by clicking Apply. The setup you have made can also be saved for easy access in the future. Just right-click on the workspace and choose New Workspace. Give the workspace a name and click OK. The next time you would like to see your setup, just click on the workspace you just created. For further help, please refer to the Help button to the right. This opens up the help system for Prediktor Edge Process Explorer.